Hopefully, all my videos retrospectively will be terrible. Now, this is just a very short sentence that probably encapsulates the many different ideas now I have about this topic. So, the basic assumption of me making videos is that eventually I will improve. Now, this could be that I have read maybe more books, that I have learned a couple of other things, that over time I learned this and that. Now, of course, it could also be wrong. It could turn out that I actually decline in terms of how leveled I am. Now, if I would draw a graph, it would look like this. We would have a time axis and also the absolute level for now. If the absolute level is, let's say, here in the beginning, and then I make videos, and over time I make videos and I make videos, but my absolute level of whatever the measurement would be the same. And also maybe, let's just say, my ability to speak. If my ability to speak, unrelated to the content, over time is like this, then in 2 years time, if I look back on these videos, then they will look great. Why? Because I don't see the things that now I could improve. So the difference between the video quality, so the difference between the seen video quality and basically the difference between the absolute video quality, one could say, and the perceived video quality, the bigger this difference is, the bigger the difference between these two entities, the entity that produced the video and the entity that is now observing the video. So the bigger the difference is, and if the entity happens to be the same person in this case, then the bigger probably the change that has occurred in between. And so now, if I am flatlining, then I will always think my videos are great because, well, or at least, let's just say, not that they are great, but I make a video and this is like, okay, I have a couple of critique points. If the critique points stay exactly kind of the same, and well, then I just am flatlining. But now the more I am able to improve, let's say, my speaking skill and my pronunciation and how well I'm able to translate something, then the bigger the difference between the perceived video quality is from here, from when I actually recorded these, and from here. So the more terrible in the future my videos retrospectively will be seen by me, the potentially better or more improved I have in the meanwhile, so the rate of change would have been bigger